Okay, I'm back for another recap trading video, and today is win trade. Yeah, pretty much it's good, it's going well. I win like 2 or I reached 2 or. So basically you can look over here. I use a breaker block strategy. So I waiting for market making lower low and then go lower high and then go for lower low, and then they make lower high and higher high. My bad, it's actually higher high, and then come back lower, and then I'm doing nothing with this, but I'm waiting to let the market making something like internal liquidity. So what is internal liquidity? Internal liquidity is fair value gap. As you can see right here, when they made a huge big ass fair value gap right here, I have no hesitation. I'm sure that it's gonna went up. So I'm immediately entry over here, which is, and then I reach my stop loss, which is over here below fair value gap, and below like a candle before fair value gap, and then I'm looking for 2 or, and I actually hit it. So what you guys learn from this? Be patient, trust your strategy, and yeah, and I make $6 from this. I reached $3 and I make $6. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching.